Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off baby crying sounds detector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, swipe up to go down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on hearing enhancements. Then in here, tap on sound notifications. Next, tap on open sound notifications. In this window here, tap on the settings icon at the top. And in settings, go down and tap on the sound notifications, blue window right here. And in here, go down and tap on notification categories. Then you go down and tap on baby sounds. Tap on the toggle button to turn it off or switch it on. Now you can tap on the left hand side and choose how the notifications will be delivered to you. You can have it as alert or silent. You can choose to show pop-up or not. And you can choose what type of sound it will raise. So at the moment I have this disabled. So I'm just going to turn on the sound. And that's it. So that's how you can turn on or turn off baby crying sounds detector on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.